Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss the properties of living organisms and differences between living organisms and non-living organisms. Living things move. Movement is another characteristic of living organisms. Most animals move from one place to another in search of food, for protection, and for their other needs. Movement can be clearly seen in animal. Plants are fixed at one place, however, they also move in response to light or gravity. This movement of plant is not easily noticeable. Sunflower turns towards sunlight. Response to stimuli. All living organisms respond to different stimuli such as touch, light, heat and sound. Animals like earthworm move away from light and cell in media. Earthworm has a tendency to move away from light. Plants also respond to different stimuli. The tip of a shoot system tends to move towards light. The dropping of a leaf of a touch me not plant is response to the touch stimuli. See the diagram. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is an important characteristic of all living organisms. The young ones grow into adults which again reproduce. Thus the existence of their species continues. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is an important characteristic of all living organisms. The young ones grow into adults which again reproduce. Thus the existence of their species continues. Living things reproduce. Some animals such as hen reproduce by laying eggs. A few animals such as cow and human beings give birth to their young ones. This is a diagram. Some plants reproduce through seeds. Some other reproduce through vegetative reproduction, that is, they reproduce through their stems, leaves or roots. Living things excrete. All living things excrete. Urea is an excretory waste of animal and is removed as urine. Carbon dioxide is a waste and is removed during breathing. Plants give out their waste in the form of water and minerals through stomata. Living things have a definite lifespan. Different organisms have different lifespans. It may vary from a few hours to hundreds of years. The lifespan of bacteria is just a few hours, whereas the lifespan of tortoise is nearly 120 years. In this way, different animals live for different time periods, but ultimately they all die. Similarly, plants also die after some time. Do you know? Seeds, moong dal, can stay in the container of your kitchen for many days without showing any sign of living things. When we provide them suitable conditions, they grow and perform life processes and then eventually die. Let us now tabulate the differences between living and non-living things. Differences between living and non-living things. First difference, living things and non-living things. First characteristic feature is cellular structure. Living organisms are made up of cells. Non-living things lack cellular structure. Second, growth. They grow in height, weight, size or volume, but non-living things, no growth occurs. Nutrition. In living things, food is needed for energy and performing life activities. In non-living things, they do not require any nutrition. Respiration. In living things breathe and respire to obtain energy. In non-living things, they do not breathe or respire. Movement. They are able to move their body part or body as a whole. But in non-living things, they cannot move unless some external force is applied. Response. Living things show response to various stimuli. Non-living things shows no response. Seventh, reproduction. Living things give birth to more of their kind. Non-living things do not reproduce. Eighth, excretion. Living things, waste or unwanted materials are excreted from the body. Non-living things, excretion does not occur in them. Ninth, lifespan. Living organisms have a definite lifespan. Non-living things have no definite lifespan. We thus observe that there are many characteristics which make living things different from non-living. Sometimes you may see movement in non-living things like your toy train or cloud. Non-living things may have growth. For example, clouds may sometimes enlarge their size within minutes. However, these things do not show all the characteristics of living things. Thank you. Have a nice day.